Hi guys! So we are continuing our lesson in long vowel E. And remember, long vowel E makes the E sound. So for this first part, D and E, you're going to read the words in the boxes and then you're going to plug them into the correct sentence. So number one says, D is a vice president or blank at her job. And the correct answer for that one would be VP. VP. That's what you call a vice president. So you would come here, type it inside the box just like that, and then you would read the rest. She drives to work in a blank. Well, my words are beep, jeep, deep, veep, keep, weep, seep, and peep. So she drives to work in a, which one of those is a car that she might drive to work in? So think about that as you complete letter D. You're going to do all of these sentences, numbers 2 through 8, because I already did number 1 for you. All right, so if we're looking at letter E, you're going to circle the word that makes the most sense in the sentence. So you're going to read number 1. There's a blank. You're going to read these 3 words off to the side to see which one would make the most sense. So number 1 says, have you blankly? Would it be seem, seen, or see? So let's plug those words in. Have you seemly? Have you seenly? Have you seely? Which one of those would make the most sense? Have you seenly would be the correct version that would go right there. It would be the past tense version of the word see. So you're going to drag this little star over to the correct word so that way we know that you're picking that one. Let's do number 2. She paid the blank for the ride. She paid the feel, the feed, or the fee. She paid the feel for the ride. She paid the feed for the ride, or she paid the fee for the ride. Well, feel is something that you do with your hands. Feed is when you give someone food, and fee is money. The money that you owe. So which one would make the most sense? She paid the fee. So I'm going to drag this little star over just like that. Good luck.